Microsoft Dynamics 365. Finance and operations holds the heartbeat of your business. Every transaction, every operation, every insight. But here's the real question. Is your data truly driving decisions or just sitting inside your ERP? Introducing Global Data 365's Turnkey Analytics. We provide solutions engineered specifically for F&O, tailored to your scale. 3 powerful options, each designed for a specific business need, user type, and reporting complexity. Let's explore them. First, Jet Analytics. Jet Analytics delivers enterprise-grade reporting by building a complete data warehouse for your F&O environment. Our Dynamics 365 data is first exported to Azure Data Lake, then moved into a centralized data warehouse using Azure Synapse. Jet Analytics automates the entire process, building staging areas, data models, and cubes for instant reporting. This automated pipeline consolidates data across multiple companies, entities, and even external systems, ensuring consistency, governance, and performance. Jet Analytics is designed for businesses that require enterprise-wide reporting, multi-entity data consolidation, strong governance and auditability, advanced analytics and forecasting. It turns complex ERP data into a single trusted source of truth. Next, Power BI. Power BI connects directly to F&O data entities and transforms raw information into dynamic, interactive dashboards. With powerful modeling, drill downs, and real-time visual insights, it enables teams to explore performance instantly. Power BI is ideal for organizations that need real-time operational visibility, management dashboards, KPI monitoring, quick deployment with minimal infrastructure. It's designed for agility, speed, and clarity. Finally, Atlas. Atlas brings live F&O data directly into Excel, enabling finance teams to work in the environment they already know. With smart caching, incremental refresh, and built-in ERP security, Atlas ensures fast, reliable, and controlled reporting. Atlas is perfect for finance teams who live in Excel and need live financial statements, trial balances, ad hoc reporting, instant reconciliation. It transforms Excel into a real-time reporting engine. Whether you need enterprise data consolidation, interactive dashboards, or live Excel reporting, we deliver solutions tailored to your scale, your users, and your business goals. With Turnkey Analytics, you get 65 plus Power BI dashboards, 100 plus Excel reports, and fully automated F&O reporting, ready from day one. Stop looking at data only as information. Start using it as your competitive advantage. Transform your finance and operations reporting, and turn every insight into smarter decisions.